How's it going?
Yes.
What is it? What's in there?
The B16 turbocharged.
B16?
Yeah.
Not bad. Is it a stock engine?
No, we just put some rods and pistons on it.
Pistons, rods?
Yeah. It makes what, 450?
450 horse?
Yeah.
Nice. How much boost are you running?
Probably about 20 pounds.
20 pounds
19
boost.
to 20 pounds, yeah.
Not bad. B16, eh? So,
B16 with a GSR transmission, LSD.
oh, it's got the GSR training on it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
What size turbo?
We had to play around. This is a GT35R.
GT35R?
Yeah. We had to kind of play around with the final drive in this car. It was a small tire we're using, right?
I see.
So, yeah.
So this thing like to wheelie a lot, or?
It wants to pick up the wheel. Yeah, it wants to pick up the. It wants to pick up the front right now. So gotta be a little careful.
What's your best time in it so far?
I think Paul went what, 12.1 right now, 12.1.
12.1,
But 87 mile an hour.
Oh, letting off.
87 mile an hour. He just let off.
I haven't really had a full pass in the setup yet, eh?
No, we haven't got a full pass yet. No.
Trying to get that out today.
That's what we're trying today. Yeah. Trying to get that today.
What's the car weigh? This thing is tiny.
This is probably about 1,700 pounds, I would say.
1,700?
1,700, yeah.
Is that with you in it? Or?
1,800, probably around 1,800 with the driver. So we're looking at probably around 1,600.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Wow. How hard was it to get the engine in the back there like that?
Well, there's a kit that they sell for these cars.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
There's a rear kit, also a front one up here.
Oh, okay.
So it's a kit to put into the classic minis.
Oh, the fuel cell in here.
Yeah, you can go with B series, you can go K series, or all-wheel drive.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So right now this is just rear-wheel drive.
This is just a mid-engine setup.
Mid-engine rear drive.
Mid-engine, yeah. We have another one all-wheel drive.
Oh, okay.
But it's a K series all-wheel drive.
Ooh, nice.
And a classic mini, yeah.
The classic one. Is it like a the cargo van style, or is it
No,
the
it's just the sedan. The
regular
two-door sedan. Yeah. This is like the van in it. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, I'm happy to see it out today. I usually see it, but I miss it, right?
I know. We're still trying to get it sorted out.
Yeah, it's out.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's very cool.
Yeah.
How long have you had this car?
I probably built this car probably 8 years ago.
8 years. Oh wow.
Yeah, but I've been had other cars that I was playing with, so I never really got the time to sort it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool. I like it. It looks like a lot of fun though.
Yeah, it is. Thank you.
You drive it on the street too, or?
Not much really.
No, but you could if you wanted to, right?
Oh yeah. It's insured everything. It's plated and insured.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.